Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Welcome to my latest walking tour video, where I take you on a stroll along one of the most iconic beaches in the world, Copacabana Beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. I'm excited to share this experience with you in 4K 60 FPS quality, so don't forget to adjust your video settings to get the full immersive experience. First things first, if you enjoy this video, please do hit the like button below and leave a comment telling me what you think of Copacabana Beach. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to my channel for more amazing travel content.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon, link below.
As I start my walk along the 4-kilometer stretch of Golden Sand, I can already feel the energy and excitement that Copacabana is famous for. The beach is surrounded by bustling streets and high-rise buildings, but it's the sound of the waves crashing against the shore that sets the mood for this lively and vibrant neighborhood. As I walk along the beach, I can't help but notice the iconic black and white patterned sidewalk that lines the shore. This famous sidewalk, known as the Calçadão, is a popular spot for joggers, walkers, and cyclists. It's also lined with kiosks selling refreshing drinks and snacks for beachgoers to enjoy while they soak up the sun. One of the most striking features of Copacabana Beach is the view of the surrounding hills that seem to loom over the neighborhood. These hills are home to several favelas, or informal settlements, that are visible from the beach. As I come to the end of my walk along Copacabana Beach, I can't help but feel grateful for this experience. It's a privilege to be able to travel and explore new places, and I hope this video has allowed you to experience a bit of the magic that Rio de Janeiro has to offer.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!